Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about the topic income and other goals. What do you mean by income? The monthly wages obtained by a person is known as income. We need income to satisfy our daily needs. So what are the factors that we depend other than income? The first one is freedom. We must have freedom to do a particular work. Next, friendship. In the working environment, there must be a friendly relationship among people. Next, equality. There should not be any partial discrimination among the workers. Security. The job must be secured to him. Opportunity to learn. So, whenever we do a task or a job, we must learn something from that particular job. Next, time for the family. Even though if we earn more money, there must be time to spend for our family. Last one is job security. These are the factors that we depend other than income when searching a job. So next we move to the topic national development. What do you mean by national development? It is on the whole the country's development. It is calculated on the basis of average income or per capita income. So this is a 1 mark question. The ratio of per capita income is equal to total income of the country divided by total population. ஸோ ஒரு கண்ட்ரியில் இருக்க எல்லா பர்சனோட இன்கம்மையும் டோட்டலாக ஆட் பண்ணி அதில் மொத்த பாப்புலேஷனால் டிவைட் பண்ணோன்னா நம்ம கண்ட்ரியோடைய பர் கேபிட்டா இன்கம் அதாவது ஆவரேஜ் இன்கம் என்ன அப்படின்றத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். ஸோ இதுக்கான எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒன்று பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ கண்ட்ரிஸ் we have two different countries A and B. So their monthly incomes for 5 months, month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given respectively. So we have to find the average income of country A as well as the average income of country B. By using the formula, the average income is equal to total income of the country divided by total number of citizens. Now we have the total income of the country. First month, second month, third month, fourth month plus fifth month. So we have 5 months. The citizen number is not given, so we assume for the average income of one person. So total divided by 5 because we are calculating for 5 months. So average income is equal to 50,000 divided by 5 is equal to 10,000. So the average income of country A is 10,000. Similarly, we are calculating the average income of country B. So 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 48,000. So here also we are calculating for 5 months. So totally divided by 5. 50,000 divided by 5 is equal to 10,000. So what difference do you see in these two countries? The average income is same for both the countries, country A as well as for country B. But the individual income varies since we have calculated individual person as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9,500, 10,500, 9,800, 10,000, 10,200 are the average income of a person in different months. But in country 2 we have 500, 500, 500 and 48,000. So what is the drawback of per capita income is it does not tell us how this income is distributed among people. We get the answer 10,000 as average income. So we think that the 5 members will earn an average of 10,000. But it is not true in both the cases. It is more or less same in the case 1, that is country A. But in case 2, 4 people earn only 500 and the 5th person earns 48,000. So it does not help us to know the income of an individual.